Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Copper CRM import to connect contacts correctly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Copper CRM account. Navigate to the settings section by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Select import from the options available in the settings menu. Choose the type of data you wish to import, focusing on contacts. Download the import template provided by Copper CRM. Open the downloaded template and fill in all required fields with accurate information about your contacts. Ensure that the email addresses are correct and that there are no duplicates. Once you've completed the template, save it in a CSV format. Return to the Copper CRM import page and click on the Upload button. Select your completed CSV file from your computer. Review the mapping of your CSV columns to ensure they align with Copper CRM fields. If necessary, adjust the mapping to correctly match the fields. Click the Next button to proceed with the import. Review the summary of your import for any potential errors or warnings. If everything looks correct, click the Import button to start the process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the import is complete. Check your contacts list to verify that all entries have been imported correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.